So welcome to this month's Vanners collaboration, and this month we're talking about whether we're chronic overpackers or not. Well, we're going away for 2 weeks in a couple of days, and we've got enough clothes here for 2 weeks. Saves us having to go to the laundry. But let's have a look what else we pack for those 2 weeks. Don't forget to watch the other videos in this collaboration. It'd be interesting to see how other people get on with their packing. Now, one of the things we like to do before we set off is put a bit of water in the tanks. I don't know if you can hear it filling up at the moment. But we're going on a rally, so I don't want to be messing about with water as soon as we get there. There's enough to sort of take in when you arrive, so we're going to fill up the tanks. Now, I wouldn't recommend this normally to most people, particularly if you've got a vehicle that's only got 3,500 gross weight maximum. This vehicle is 4,500 and we've got a 1,000 kilogram payload, so it should be okay. And we've got a lot of things to pack, so I think I probably need to show you what we do. More clothes, this time tops. It's a couple of days before we're going, so I like to do most of the clothes packing 2 days before we go. And these are going in the wardrobe at the back here. I've got the big table for the awning. I've got the Ostent chairs, the levelling ramps. Underneath that I've got the solar panels and a little table. To go in yet, 2 more chairs like that, the tailor-made cover, and that. I'm not going to put the awning in here because that's going to go in the car. So in this side, the gas barbecue, Wastemaster, the aqua roll. These stay in here all the time. These are all in cleaning stuff, tie down things, other bits and bobs, thermal screens, the Trio Kadak barbecue thing. Over there is where my water and my electric cables are going to go. These things tend to stay in the van all the time, apart from the fridge. The EcoFlow Delta 2 is going to go in there. That's for the awning, that's the pegs and everything. That's going to go in the car, that's a ground sheet. I'll put the hose away in a minute. All of that normally stays in the van. All of that stays in the van, so you know, things like cycling jacket, G-Tech cleaner, boots, spare jerry can for water, more boots, cleaning stuff over there. So next day I had a shopping delivery and all of this stuff. Fridge stuff
and other stuff.
And we normally,
worse than it is.
We normally pack enough for however long we're away. Otherwise we'll have to do a click and collect if we can't fit it all in. More sort of general groceries here. So no, we don't overpack at all. Right, last bit of packing. Put a whole load of stuff in the fridge in the garage. Go there. Right, so this is the fridge in the van. Not too bad. The Alpicool. That takes a fair bit there. That's stuff to the gunnels, really. Dog crates. I normally put these underneath. Turn that one round. Put it up against the side, and this one. And then what I normally do is I put the table down so it traps them in there. Right, it's evening before we go away. I've got the bike in there now with its battery, aqua roll, all that sort of stuff. And this side, I've got some presents for the meetup, some solar panels for the meetup, given away, and that's about it in here. So it's not too bad now. All the chairs and everything like we had before, and we've got the awning in the car, so that's all ready to go. So just a few final things to pack in the morning: coats, my man bag, toilet bags, bike helmet, all the camera gear's in there, last of the food that's in the fridge and the dog's bowl, dog beds, oh, laptop, yeah, and that will be it. Car is hooked up.